Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your project uses Android X and a recent compile SDK. This matters because Window Inset's controller APIs require modern SDKs. Open styles, XML or themes. XML and locate your app theme so you can modify Window Draw's system bar backgrounds and status bar color. Once done, set Android status bar color to a transparent or base color and ensure Window Draw's system bar backgrounds equals true. Make sure to import Android's core, view, Window Inset's controller compatlator. You'll perform the core change in an activity or fragment where you control the window. First, retrieve the controller with Window compat. Get Inset's controller, window, decor view, then set is appearance light status bars to true for dark icons or false for light icons. This flips the icon contrast. If you need a smooth transition, animate status bar color alongside the change. For older devices, detect API level and use the legacy system UI flag light status BAR flag, so behavior remains consistent across versions. You finish by ensuring your theme and layout aren't forcing an overlay that blocks icon color changes. Verify Window Draw's system bar backgrounds, and remove translucent flags if present. Test on several devices and API levels, since OEM customizations can override behavior. If icons don't change, confirm you're calling the Inset's controller after set content view, and that fits system windows or Window Inset's behaviors aren't interfering. One key troubleshooting tip. If colors ignore your settings, temporarily set a contrasting status bar color to reveal which layer is overriding it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.